To achieve and maintain fitness and health, it's important to adopt a well-rounded approach that encompasses various aspects of physical and mental well-being. Here are some key tips. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, such as cardiovascular exercises, example, walking, running, cycling, and strength training exercises, example, weightlifting, resistance training, to improve cardiovascular health, build muscle, increase endurance, and maintain a healthy weight. Balanced diet. Consume a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of whole foods, including lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Avoid excessive sugar, salt, and processed foods, and stay hydrated with water. Adequate sleep. Get enough quality sleep to allow your body and mind to rest, recover, and rejuvenate. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to support optimal physical and cognitive function. Stress management. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or mindfulness to reduce stress levels, improve mental clarity, and promote overall well-being. Healthy habits. Avoid smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and other harmful behaviors. Practice good hygiene, regular health checkups, and preventive measures such as vaccinations to maintain optimal health. Positive mindset. Cultivate a positive mindset and prioritize mental health by managing stress, fostering positive relationships, and engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. By integrating regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, stress management, healthy habits, a positive mindset, and consistency into your lifestyle, you can achieve and maintain fitness and health, leading to a happier, more fulfilling life. Consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions.